Hi, I'm Caitlin.
And I'm Zoe, and today we're making a candy corn layered smoothie.
So first off, always make sure that when you're doing anything in the kitchen, wash your hands. And today we're gonna learn a little bit about blender safety. So this blade right here, when you're scooping out any of the ingredients or when you're cleaning it, watch the blade.
Okay, so for our first layer, it's gonna be a half a cup of mangoes, a half a cup of pineapple, and a half a cup of grape juice. And these are all high in vitamin C, which is a powerful form of antioxidants. So we're gonna add that to the blender and we're gonna blend that up.
All right, now that that's done, you're gonna add this layer into a glass or cup or whatever you're gonna be using today. So just go ahead and dump it in. All right, and then for our next layer, we're gonna do 1 cup of peaches and a half cup of grape juice. So both of these are also great antioxidants, and they have a tendency to help clear up your skin a little bit. So what we're gonna do is we're going to first add some honey. I would say go around about 4 times. This is to preference. If you want it sweeter, you can add more. If you don't want it as sweet, you can add less. So about 4 times. There we go. And now we're gonna blend. All right, remember, when you're using a blender, make sure it's come to a full stop before you take the lid off. So now what we're gonna do is we're just going to very gently layer it. Just spoon it in so you can get a nice layer. All right, there we go.
And for the final layer, we're gonna be either using vanilla ice cream or frozen yogurt, and today we're gonna show you with the vanilla ice cream.
So this one is, again, add to taste however much you'd like. We're gonna do 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Just set it in. All right, and there you go. It's 1 candy corn smoothie.